Hello, this is Coach Tom's class, and today we're going to be doing an exercise video called Home Alone. It'll be focused on strengthening and endurancing in the legs. So, as you can see on the screen here, we have our 6 workouts that we're going to do. We're going to have an option of doing it 3 times, 5 times, or 7 times, depending on what level you think you're at. So let's just get right after it and begin. So we're going to start with our 10 half jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we'll go the other way. 1, 2, 3. Stretching them hips. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Next, we're going to move on to our 20 high knees. So, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright. Next, we're going to move on to our reverse lunges. And you want to leave about like 10 seconds between each interval. So that gives you enough time to catch your breath, and then we can move on. So ready? Here we go. Moving on to our reverse lunges. 1, 2. You want to make sure you give yourself enough room there. 3, 4. There's 4 actually. Sorry, I did one too many. Alright, next we're going to move on to, we're going to go back to our half jacks. So 10 more half jacks. And it's been about 10 seconds. It's nice if you have a stopwatch too, that always helps. I don't have one on me right now, but so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, feel good. Nice stretch on the inner part of your leg in there. As well, it should be opening up your hips with that. So next, we're back onto our 20 high knees. On your mark, get set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Perfect. Alright, take our breath, gather yourself, and we got 4 more squats now. So now we're going into our squats. So ready, set, go. Squats, ready? 1, 2. I want to keep your back straight. 2, 3, 4. Alright. So that would be the first set. Now, depending on your skill level or what level you think you're at, you'd continue on to do either 2 more, 4 more, or 6 more. All right, and that was just a kind of an example for you guys there. Thank you.